That makes some footage though.
It would be an absolutely fantastic spot if you had a sniper rifle that was immaculate. Yeah. But once you get shot.
Yeah, I can hear him.
If they don't hear you, you're gonna get riddled.
Yeah.
And if it's a bad shot, you might fall.
It'd be a great place to put a VIP. You'd defend it.
Build a treehouse.
Yeah, you see, the thing about tree houses are trees that are only being held up by a small branch.
Yeah.
Killian,
you want to get up yet?
Not really, no.
You know you're going to get in fire and it's going to be hilarious.
What?
You're going to get under fire and you're going to roll.
Okay, they're coming around by the top bunker there.
Alright, Kill, now you're kind of... No?
I'm impervious to BBs.
Like a fucking sloth. Yeah, the BBs don't kill you, but they fucking take you out of the game quick enough.
BBs can kill. What if you were deathly allergic to that plastic and it wouldn't lodge the
Actually, yeah, what composite plastic are you
I've had
using?
that happen before.
Huh?
So that, what? What'd you say?
You lot.
Where are they?
I can't be near you lot. I feel drunk when I'm near you.
Yeah. People have that in every airsoft site we go to. We're a bit strange.
A bit.
But it's welcome change from not understanding what a lot of customers are saying altogether.
Well, I can speak Dutch if you want.
Movers! Martin, over your head! Over your head!
Oh, right inside.
Yeah, I saw him. I saw the BBs come in.
I'm back in. It's pretty light, so.
Yeah. Whereabouts is he?
Steven!
Yeah?
Got a guy.
Are you off the tree now?
What?
Are you off the tree?
Yeah, I'm off the tree because there's a guy shooting at me.
That kind of rhymed.
What?
It kind of rhymed.
Did it?
Kinda.
I don't know, can't tell. Kind of busy getting shot at. Oh, yes!
Nice shooting, Kill.
Can I get back on the tree now?
No.
Please?
If you kill 20 people, you can upgrade to a kill perk of a tree. Whatever the fuck the Call of Duty perks
Where
are.
is he, Sean?
That mound. Over in my 12. My 12.
Where? Killing right there, the blue board over to the...
I mound, the only blue board in the site.
Runner! Oh, he's gone. Runner! Martin, you got guy over there again, behind you at the pod. Daft, well, you know what I'm talking about. Coming straight there.
Steven, far left, far left, far left. Up high.
Man, when you stood up, I nearly took your ear off there.
You've done this airsoft before, haven't you?
Huh?
You've done this whole airsoft.
No.
Woo!
32 minutes left!
Please, Steven. Get
Why are you
murked.
keeping their heads down? Huh?
So I get murked.
Oh, definitely. Merk to the finest.
How long this game last?
45 minutes. I'm not feeling it's going to last 45 minutes.
Who are you putting money on then?
I was nearly stopped doing it. I was far as full.
Nice run. Yeah.
I'm an adult. Steve! Airplane!
Yeah, I see
Airplane!
him.
Airplane!
Airplane's gone.
Thank you! Steve, that was way too fucking close.
Oh yeah.
Bunker, 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 Steven.
Where the bunker? Oh, see the bunker. Gotcha. Oh mother. Where are those beavers coming in from?
Fucking everywhere, dude.
Oh, that's getting close now. We're going to rebound off the tree. Oh.
Ah!
You alright, Kill?
No!
Where?
What?
Where are they?
Fucking everywhere.
That's really handy.
Yeah, I know.
This is second. You're so bad at giving like locations.
What? Steve, you got people in the bunker. You need to watch that bunker.
Yeah, I know.
How many in the bunker?
Oh, but at least one. One less now.
Oh, I'm moving down. Huh? Don't ask me that. Back to where you were.
Head down.
Oh yeah. Thank you. Oh. Trenches! Kelly, move it up straight ahead! Yeah, there his hand's gone up, he's good, he's gone.
Yeah, no, I got him. Steve, trenches.
Which trench?
The fucking only one there.
Solid.
Hit! Whoa!